Hey guys, welcome to another Flushmount installation video by TST Industries on a Honda CBR300R, also the 250R. In another video, we showed you a direct fit flush mount signal installation on this bike. In this video, we're gonna have another option for you guys. The difference being that these signals are a little bit larger and fill the well left behind by the stock signal a little bit better. However, they do require a little modification to the inner fairing of the bike. So if you guys follow along, we'll show you that in this video. All right, so since we went over the disassembly of the OEM signals in the other video we have posted, we will skip that step. For the purpose of this video, we will only be showing how to modify the inner fairing here and how to mount up this type signal. So we'll need to use some sort of a rotating cutter, such as a Dremel with a rotating file type cutter to cut into this, or perhaps we could use a rounded file and just file that out. I'm just gonna do it with one of these because it's simple for me. You guys can use whatever tool is appropriate. Always use safety. And so if you look at the stud, if it's basically hitting right here in the center line of this hole, basically templated out like this. So what I'm going to do is cut approximately 3/8 inch half circle in the center line of the edge here. Before I get overzealous, I'm gonna make sure I'm not cutting too much. It's a lot easier to go step by step and have a few more steps than trying to come back from a mistake, because you can't add material. Looks like I'm almost there. On inspection from the inside, it looks like I have to cut upwards a little bit more. All right, let's see if this fits. And that looks like it does the job. So now, after we fitted our signal through the outside of the well, we are going to go to the inside of this well, insert the washer that came with the kit onto the wires, bottom that out, and then put the nut over the wires, get that turned in, and on this threaded connection, I like to tighten it by hand without the use of a tool. Just make sure it's as tight as you could turn it in by hand. And the friction of plastic on plastic threads will ensure that your nut does not back out of the stud. If you do use tools, you're running the risk of actually snapping that thread off. So I'm just gonna wire the signal in. It's a plug and play connection. Yellow from our signal to orange on the left side of this Honda. On the other side, yellow goes to blue, and black on our signal indicates ground, and the ground wire on this signaling system is green, and it's green for both sides. So black to green on both sides, and then yellow to orange on the left, yellow to blue on the right. Now I'm just gonna plug this guy back into the hole it came from, bunch up this wire behind the routing clip that we showed you in the first video, and bend that down. I'm going to test the system. Looks like it's flashing and running light is working. So as you can see, again, we have the hyper flash situation where the signaling system flashes faster than the OEM rate of 85 cycles per minute. There's a simple fix to this. We sell an LED flasher relay that gets installed behind this fairing. We do have a separate video for that. I hope you guys check that out. To continue with this video, I will move over to the right side of the bike and just repeat the procedure that you just saw me perform on the left side. All right, so now that we have our slot cut out, let's again insert a signal lamp until it bottoms out. Washer first. Followed by the nut. So on the right side, we have blue to yellow. And green to black. You always want to make sure that these caps are over all of the metal parts of the connections. If they touch and short circuit, you will blow a fuse. I'm going to get the wire squeezed up behind the routing clip. Get everything neat and out of the way. Power up the system. Test it as always. Running light functions properly. Signal light. And now this installation is complete. Bike is ready to go. See you guys next time.